Let's get him up out of there. Look at him, y'all. That's a rusty guy right there, boy. And that's what you call yellow belly and rusty. It's kind of chilly out here, y'all, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Got my basket. I don't have no fishing stuff with me, y'all, so I don't feel like carrying that stuff. So look, that's why I had to wait, y'all. Look at that sign. Park hour, no exception. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. It's a nice little journey, right, guys? Yeah. But y'all know it opened up to something beautiful. So, but you come to this one, got a good little walk. Shoot. Tide is high. But y'all know we just left the other spot. It's a long walk. I ain't gonna say it's a mile, but yeah, dang. At least let me catch about 6 big crabs over here, and I'm eating them, so definitely gonna eat them, y'all. Y'all see this location? Look at this. It's beautiful, right? Y'all know I gotta go over there, but that's how it looks. I'll pick up with you guys when I get over there. Welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. We're about to do some crabbing, and we're at this beautiful location right now in Atlantic Beach, Florida. And I'm gonna go with 5 nets. I was at another spot earlier and I caught a few crabs because this part was closed, so I'm gonna go in and put that in right now so you can see that. Okay, you guys, so the part that I want to go to is closed right now. It's not open, so I'm gonna wait till it opens up and then I'm gonna head that way. But right now I'm just out here in Atlantic Beach, and I just dropped something just to drop something. So I got 1 chicken on the string, and I have a 2-ring net down there, so hopefully I'll catch something on those before I get up out of here. But just wanted to throw something in the water. But look at that view, y'all. All these places I go to got beautiful views, man. Okay, y'all, I think I have a little action. I'm not sure, but I think there's something on here. Could be wrong. Oh yeah, I think I'm wrong. Oh yeah, y'all, we got action. It's probably a little baby crab too. Let's see, let me get down a little bit for y'all. We definitely have action. I know I always can feel when there's some action. Let me hurry up for these boats start coming. Hopefully it doesn't let loose. All right, y'all. Could be just dragging on the bottom, man. I hope it's not. I don't feel nothing, y'all. Dang. Could be just dragging on the bottom, man. Oh, ain't nothing. There is a crab on there, y'all. There is a crab. Got him. That's how I roll, y'all. That's how TBZ rolls. Big dog too. Woo wee, he's a big guy. Let's throw him in the bucket. Dang. Should I stay over here? Let's see if we have anything right here, y'all. Nothing. Dang. Chicken on a string. Got action. Dang. That's a big crowd too, y'all, ain't it? Alright, that's a big dog. That's a big boy. She is big. Nice and full too. That's a big boy. First crab of the day, y'all. I'm about to leave though, that's what sucks. But yeah, I'm about to head to my other spot. I might come back over here. All right, y'all, I think I do have action again on that chicken on the string, but let me go on and try this one. Even though I'm not catching nothing on this one. Oh, dude, I am. Dang, I do got something on here, y'all. Dang, I might stick around, boy. Sheesh, look at that. That's a big dog. Go, let go. Let go. Dang, should I leave? I don't know. I might put all my traps over here, y'all. What should I do? Dang. And this only doing chicken on the string in this one spot. I thought I felt something on here. I don't feel nothing there, y'all. Oh yeah, something on here. Gosh, should I leave or should I stay? Oh yeah, I got something on here, y'all, for sure. My hand dirty. Boy, I got a chicken on a string and one net. I might should do 2 chicken on a string, but this takes too long. Oh, it came off. I felt them pull off, y'all. Let's see if he grabbed the bag. Sometimes, y'all, when you feel it pull off, just let it go. And they'll jump back on it. Hopefully, there's something on here. I don't think there's nothing on here. Shoot. I think it came off. Came off, y'all. Dang. It is what it is. Shoot. Dang. I felt it come off too. There was something pulling it. See, sometimes, y'all, you put a little slack in your line. Put a little slack, and when it start pulling out, you'll know, like, oh, something on it. Dang. Well, y'all, we got two big crabs. Shoot. That was another big one, wasn't it? Shoot. Big, right? His claw's not big, but still another big male. Big male. Shoot, I'll take that all day. All day and all night. And this ain't been down there long, but bump it. Dang, yo, I'm kind of wondering, should I throw my other traps? Oh, dang, stuck. All right, y'all, like I told y'all, I'm over here at a boat ramp, so I don't know if I told y'all that, but the boats have been coming in and it's gonna start up, so that's why I don't like being over here like that. But as you can see, this is a good producing spot. I'm about to get up out of here, y'all, I think. I don't feel like nothing on here, y'all. I'm about to skedaddle. We had a little action for a few minutes. I don't think nothing on here, y'all. About to head to... I don't know, it might be something on here. I don't think so, though. I might got the 2 crowds that was back here. Yep, that's it, y'all. We about to head out. See y'all at the other spot. Y'all, I literally just pulled this up. There was nothing in here, man. God, should I stay? Y'all, we gonna see, man. I don't know, should I stay? I got 3 big crabs, man. Bro, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I might get, dang, y'all. I don't know what to do. Should I get us 2 hours, an hour? I might get us another 30 minutes, y'all. Dang, tripping. Dang, I got another big crab, y'all. Look at that. Another big dog. 3 crabs, y'all. Not even that long. Not even that long. It's another big crab, y'all. Not even that long. What's up with him having one like little small arm, but he is yellow. Yellow belly. He is really yellow. Look at him. Let y'all see him in the sun. Catching these boys. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Nice crab. And I'm only doing 1 basket. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm ready. I do want to go to my other spot, man. See how this crab is pulling this one out. I'm gonna pull it back. Watch this, y'all. See, I'm pulling it back. Watch this. Watch how he pull it out. See how it's moving up? Something on this one. Let's go on and try. Let's go on and try to see. There's something on this one, I'm pretty sure. Because I know I had some action, so I'm gonna get this guy up off of here. Feels kind of heavy too, so I just don't want him to let go, man. Shoot. Crowds, he feel that tension, so he will let go. But I feel him on here. Oh yeah. I just be throwing out so much rope, y'all, so. I'm about to have another big crab. Okay, he's coming. I am pulling a little faster than I would like to. I should put like a little mark on it so I can know like 5 feet, 10 feet. But it ain't but like 15 feet out anyway, so oh. He's holding his ground. Come on, he's stuck. Come on, y'all. He don't want to budge. Come on. Come on. He pulling, y'all. He fighting me. He might have let go, y'all. Maybe not. Okay, y'all, thinking getting close. Come on now, stay on there for me, please. I hate doing this work and then there's no crab. It's getting kind of lighter, y'all. There's that knot. I know there's always that knot right there, kind of close. All right, y'all. I think he's still on there. Hopefully it's 2 on here. Damn it, look. Bro, this ain't no crab. It's a fishing line, bro. Oh, fishing line, bro. Wow. I'm out of here. That just made me mad. Yeah, y'all, I'm out of here. That just made me mad. So, on to the next spot. I'm gonna go at 5 nets at this spot, y'all. So, I'm gonna set them up. I already dropped one that I had set up earlier. So, hopefully when I get over there, it's gonna be crabs in it. But I'm gonna show you guys my setup, how I do this. This one right here in particular. I did end up getting me some new nets, y'all. I got like 3. It's pretty simple. I use a zip tie, put the chicken in the middle, zip tie through the middle. And I prefer to use drumsticks a lot of time because it's cheap and the crabs like them. When I'm doing my box trap, I will use mullet. That's my favorite fish to use, y'all, is mullet. Mullet, man, especially in a box trap, it works so good. But yeah, y'all, let me set these up. Like I said, I got one already over there dropped. So I'm gonna drop these and we'll start pulling them up. And today we should have a good day. The tide is high, y'all, so it's probably gonna start turning around within the next hour or so. So I gotta hurry up and get these nets in the water. So get up with you guys in a minute. All right, y'all, I think this one's been out here the longest, so let's see if we got any action. Oh gosh, don't do me like that now. Don't do me like that. I wish I was fishing. If I was fishing, y'all, I had a little, is that a little croaker? Just dropped these, so I know there's no action in them yet. I don't think so. Oh man. All right, y'all, let's see if we have any action. Let's go, man. Come on now. You know what time it is. Come on, y'all. Dang, boy. Ain't nothing popping right here. I done came over here. Oh my goodness. Come on now. Snap, crackle pop. Oh my gosh. This ain't looking good for the kid. Look like the tire starting, yo. Man, it's crazy. Kinda came over here, y'all. And water so cold. Water feel kinda cold. But dang, bro, like, well, guys, I think I made a big mistake by coming over here, man. Like, it's nothing popping over here, and I don't know why. The conditions are great. I was literally over there, bro. Like, over there. I came over here, and there's no action. Like, none. So I'm gonna give it like 30 more minutes, man. I'm gonna get up out of here, but I just hate that I came over here and I set up all my nets and I'm getting nothing. Nothing. So it's like it's telling me that if it's going good, man, stay where you at. Don't even go nowhere else, because you don't know how it is somewhere else unless somebody already there and they telling you to come over there. Then go, but golly, bro. I haven't seen a crab. So, I don't know, man. I'm gonna give it like 30 more minutes, like I said. All right. One little crab. And it's little. Oh no. I don't know. That might be a little check. It's yellow. I know that for sure. Just go on over there, bro. Just go on and go. Just go on and go. You got a little arm. This is not gonna stop my flow. Yeah, this crab's little. It's very yellow though. It's a little crab. It's very yellow though. But let's check him. He's a good 5. Dang, he's 10 inches. He's 10, y'all. 5 to 5. But he's kind of little, man. I don't need no little crab that little. Like, look at that. It's little. I'm gonna let him go. Get up out of here, man. Go back to my other spot. I know there are a million boats probably gonna be coming up out of there, but I'm having no luck right here. I just caught that one small crab and there's nothing, so we're gonna hit the other spot back up. All right, y'all, so I've come back to this spot and I was actually able to get the same parking spot. So it seems like the boating is still is a lot of boating, but the tide's still high, so I might have some luck still, y'all. So I'm gonna toss these boys out. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 traps, man. So we're gonna see what we can get. All right. Look at this guy, y'all. He is a battle tested, muddy and dusty. I ain't got my bucket. I'm gonna go get my bucket, y'all. Ooh, look at him, super rusty. Wow. Wow, he been in a war. My bad, y'all, with the camera action. Let's get him up out of there. Look at him, y'all. That's a rusty guy right there, boy. And that's what you call yellow belly and rusty. But it is what it is. We're gonna go on and throw him in the cooler, y'all. It's a good crab right there. All right, y'all. Crabbing has slowed down a lot, and I'm debating if I want to leave, go home or not. came back to this spot where the boats are and stuff, so there has been a lot of boat traffic. And I think I am about to leave. So I don't know. It's crazy. We're gonna see. All right, you guys, I'm about to get up out of here, man. I appreciate you guys for coming through my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I should have never left this spot earlier, but the boat started coming in anyways, and I came back, and the boat traffic is bad, and the crabbing got terrible. I went to the other spot. It was no go, so I cleaned up everything, and I'm about to get up out of here. Peace out.